as creatives, we all at some point or another, and I think it's just as humans, we might get stuck in a rut, in a creative rut, and not be able to, it's not flowing as easily as it always did. I think that's also a little bit where resilience comes in and faith comes in, is when you keep on doing the things that enable you to be that creative person. So for me, that's a lot to do with taking care of the whole of you. We're human beings. There are certain basic things that we need. We need to sleep, and we need to eat, and, we need to exercise, all that stuff. We need to center ourselves, whether that means meditation for you or whatever it is. Make sure that you are in an optimal space. Give yourself the best chance for that creativity to flow. You think about anything, if there's a blockage somewhere, you need to loosen it, so maybe loosening it isn't it like trying and trying and trying. Maybe it's like loosening the stuff around it. So go for a walk, get a routine, make sure that you really, you have a toolkit, that keeps you at optimal level, whatever that means for you. Meditation, good sleep, whatever. Find your toolkit. Give yourself the best chance.